So I just got done cutting, batch cutting a bunch of knit tank tops, and with the leftover scraps of any fabric I have, I like to make scrunchies with a hair tie or headbands with a hair tie. Very quick and easy, and they both require the same dimensions, which is a 4 by 18 inch long fabric. Can be made of knit or woven, doesn't matter. So I fold it in half, and I'm going to serge along the long edge of the fabric. And we're going to be creating a tube, so I do need to turn this tube inside out, and I'm going to use the long serger tail to do that, which I will sandwich in between the layers of fabric of the tube. And I'll start serging. Now, as I'm serging, I'm just making sure that the serger tail is out of the way and does not catch onto the needle as I'm serging. And I'm also making sure to pull a little bit because I don't want to be wasteful with thread, so I don't want to use too much. And this is a long tube. And when I'm finished, I'm just flipping it over to take care of the edges, the end of the serger tail without having to thread it. So to turn this tube, I am just gently pulling on that serger tail that I sandwiched in between the layers. And for a quick, easy turn, you have to make sure to hold on to the folded edge of the fabric and pull the string as you go. Now that I have turned the tube inside out, I am just taking care of the raw edges on the short ends, either side or both sides. And now we could go ahead and start folding this fabric to wrap around our hair tie. So now we want to go ahead and place that tube of fabric through the hair tie, fold over around 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch, and top stitch it. Do the same thing to the other side. And now you have the hair tie holding onto the tube of fabric. Now, the reason why I like making these headbands is because you can make them out of knit or woven fabrics, and it's stretchy enough due to the hair tie that almost any size of head can wear this type of headband without causing any headaches. Well, thanks for watching, guys.